Hello everyone, this is Rohan Bose, Director of INFLECTOR India. Being a Save Earth activist and technology-driven entrepreneur, I am here today to discuss the problems we face due to heat waves in India. According to the geographical location of India on the world map, India experiences higher heat wave as compared to northern and southern hemisphere. Many of you might not know, heat wave in India is the most lethal disaster after the flood. The very first factor affecting Indians because of heat wave are health issues which can be like mental stability, loss of consciousness, heat strokes and many more. Now I will like to tell you what's going to happen if we don't act responsibly. India is expected to lose 5.8% of working hours by 2030. 9.04% of working hours expected to be lost in each agriculture and construction sectors. This will severely impact on India as Indians are pretty much dependent on these livelihoods. In absolute terms, India will lose 34 million full-time jobs by 2030. Now we have come up with a solution which will change the way how we look at these problems. We introduce you INFLECTOR, a thermal solar heat barrier which got designed and developed by NASA in the 1960s for the space suits worn by the astronauts. Adding to this, our product INFLECTOR is the next step towards reducing carbon footprints and thermal discomfort, thus increasing work efficiency. Let me give you an insight into the working of the product. This is a BTU meter which will be set to 100%, and this is an infrared solar heat lamp which is the source of heat. As you might know, there are three types of glasses which are used for windows in buildings and homes. One is the single pane, second is the double pane glass, and the third is the low emissivity glass. Each glass has properties of blocking some amount of heat. Now we are seeing that the single pane glass blocks 18%, the double pane glass blocks 34%, and the low E glass blocks 38%. Now this is INFLECTOR. When we put INFLECTOR with these glasses to see how effective it is, we can see that INFLECTOR with the single pane glass blocks 76% of heat, with the double pane glass 78%, and with the low E glass it blocks up to 80%. INFLECTOR is dedicated towards Save Earth movement and zero carbon emissions by 2040. Please join our hands and save our Mother Earth because it's our responsibility to save our home.